जब लोग किसी चीज़ को ओरिजिनल बोलते हैं 9 आउट ऑफ 10 टाइम्स इट इज़ जस्ट दैट पीपल डू नॉट नो द ओरिजिनल सोर्स और द रेफरेंसेस इन्वॉल्व। अगर आप किसी भी आर्टिस्ट से पूछो, बी इट एन एक्टर, अ डिज़ाइनर, अ प्लेयर, स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन, सिंगर, सॉन्ग राइटर, एनी वन, वेयर डू यू गेट योर आइडियाज़ फ्रॉम? द ऑनेस्ट वंस आर गोइंग टू आंसर, वी स्टील दैम. This idea is going to liberate you. People work under the pressure of being original, but nothing is original. Originality is just undetected plagiarism. अगर आप किसी एक चीज़ से उठाओगे, कुछ एक चीज़ को कॉपी करोगे तो उससे बोला जाएगा कि ये तो कॉपीड है, ये प्लेजराइज्ड है. बट अगर आप 10 चीज़ें उठाओगे, 10 जगह से कॉपी करोगे और उसमें अपना टच ऐड कर दोगे, इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी कॉल्ड अ मास्टरपीस. Also, human cannot exactly copy anything, which eventually works as a blessing in disguise. अच्छा, try yourself, draw 20 stars on a sheet of paper. सारे सिमिलर होंगे बट किसी भी दो को आप exactly सेम नहीं बोल पाओगे. सो अगर आप कुछ कॉपी करने का ट्राई भी कर सकते हो, इवेंचुअली आप वो कॉपी नहीं कर पाओगे, आपका एक पर्सनल टच ऐड हो जाएगा एंड दैट विल इवेंचुअली बिकम यू. फेमस बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर कोबी ब्रायंट ने भी कहा है, I have stolen all of my moves from all these great players. There isn't a move that's a new move. He was tapes of his heroes. He tried to copy their moves, couldn't pull them off, so improvised, and eventually those new moves became his moves. There's an economic theory. If you take the income of your 5 closest friends and average them, the resulting number is going to be very close to your own income. The same is true for your ideas. So your job is to collect good ideas, steel-worthy ideas, the ones that actually resonate with you. Read a lot, paint, travel, Google everything. Steal the ones that directly speaks to your soul, and that is how you'll be authentic. Keep educating yourself. Keep a swipe file. If you come across an idea that is steel worthy, but अगर आप उसका अभी फ़िलहाल कुछ यूज़ नहीं कर सकते तो उस आइडिया को आप अपनी स्वाइप फाइल में डाल सकते हो. और कल को जब when you feel lost, जब आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा हो कि अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, you can open that swipe file and get inspired. और अगर सपोज आपको नहीं पता कि आप क्या करना चाहते हो, don't just sit back and think. Pretend like you know what you are doing till you actually know what you are doing. Just keep doing the work. Fake it till you make it. Dress like the job you want, not like the job you have, and eventually you are going to get the job you want. जो भी काम आप सिर्फ अपने दिमाग से करते हो, that's no good. You need to get your body involved. It is scientifically proven as well. Art that comes only from the head isn't any good. आपने ये फ्रेज सुना होगा, going through the motion. So if we just start going through the motion, knead the clay, shuffle the sticky notes around the table, string a guitar, that motion is going to kick-start your brain into thinking. Other than that, it is also very important to have a hobby, to have a side project. जो भी काम आप अपने दिल से करते हो, सिर्फ उसे करने के लिए करते हो, किसी एक्सटर्नल रीज़न से नहीं करते, that is your best work. That is when magic happens. Another thing that can really help with your creativity is allowing yourself to be bored. So if you are out of ideas, iron your clothes, wash the dishes, take a long walk, do things that does not require much of your brain activity, and that is how you are going to get great ideas. Now, if you are feeling bad or low because people are not recognizing your work, they are not appreciating it because you are not discovered yet, look at it from this perspective. There is no pressure right now. You can do whatever you want. You can experiment as much as you want. There is no huge paycheck on the way. There is no public image to maintain. There are no emails from your agent. Enjoy this phase while it lasts. To eventually get discovered, it is important to do quality work and then share that quality work with like-minded people. With the internet and everything, you are no longer restricted by geography. So आप उस इंसान से भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हो जो दुनिया के किसी और ही कोने में बैठा है. You can build your own world around you. With internet, obviously you are connected with everyone, but at the same time you are always available. Don't be constantly connected and never alone. Enjoy the solitude and temporary captivity. Switch off your laptop and mobile phones. Stand in queue without Wi-Fi. Just let yourself be. That is how you let those creative fluids flowing. जैसे कि हमने पहले आइडियाज़ की बात करी थी, they will be as good as the ideas you surround yourself with. Same goes for people. You will be as good as the people you surround yourself with. It is very important, especially in today's world, especially with internet, to be kind and not be a jerk. Still, there are going to be many times when people are going to irritate you, angry you, when they'll say mean things to you. Do not waste your energy fighting them. Take that anger out in your work. फिर भी बहुत बार होगा जब आप लो फील कर रहे होगे, when you will be tired and all worked up, keep a praise file. जब भी कोई आपके बारे में कुछ अच्छा बोले, जिससे आपको खुशी मिले, जिससे आपको अच्छा फील हो, put a note in that praise file. And next time when you need some lifting up to do, you can open that praise file and read a couple of notes from it. But don't overdo it. Don't get lost in the past glory. A career is built through compounding. Writing a book can seem very intimidating, but if you write just one page for the next 365 days, you have got yourself a book in a year. So stay on the routine. Get yourself a calendar. Daily when you do your thing, put a tick on the date. After 3-4 days, after 3-4 ticks, all your job is to not break that chain. All your job is to get that tick daily. Keeping a logbook is also a great way to keep you on track. That is how you know what you did right or where you could have improved. If you'll start journaling or diary, then that will be a little tough to maintain. What you can do, easier way to do it, that you can just note down the highlights for the day. Next, marrying well is also very important, and this is not just limited to your life partner. It also means the person you do your business with, the people you surround yourself with. Also, with the advent of technology and information abundance, people who get ahead are the ones who know what to miss out on and not let FOMO guide your life. Only after that will be able to focus on things that truly matter. Hitting a creativity block is also something very common among all the artists. So अगर आपके साथ कभी ऐसा होता है, put constraints on yourself, put limitations. जैसे कि एक बार I was working on a project and I did not had all the things I needed, but I ended up with one of my best creations. Not having everything according to your requirements really make you think outside the box and explore all kind of things. It sets you free. And most importantly, do not forget to have fun. When you are having fun, that is when you do your greatest of the work. Thank you everyone. Hopefully you got what you wanted. All the very best for all your creative pursuits. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in my next. Bye bye.